Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today, gonna show you one more awesome strategy. As I promised, soon will update you with very awesome strategy of all types of index markets. No problem. If you are a forex trader, use this strategy in forex trading. No problem. Currency pairs and the volatility pairs and boom and crush step index, really very awesome strategy. As you all guys know, I also using this strategy. So today, before the start, I want to tell you, if you want to become a profitable trader, if you want to become a successful trader in this forex market, so you have to follow some steps. Always, number one, always follow risk management. Money management is key. Once you start trading on a real account, control your emotions. Always follow trend, because trend is your friend. Only one friend you have in this market. This is trend. Okay? And must highlight the areas of trend like high and low, support and resistance, and take some help from price action. Okay, technical. So the basic points, I hope all guys understand what I mean to say that. Okay, so now it's time to start set up the strategy. So first of all, you all guys know I always bring that moving average based strategy, because that moving average is only one true indicator in indicator window. I have tested many indicators like RSI, stochastic, awesome accelerators, and many more, but they all fail. Once market start range bound strategy, that all indicators fail. That moving average always give you the true direction of market and also collect very accurate data of previous closed candles. Okay, what are you using is all up to you, up to your strategy setting. Okay, so let's start set up the strategy. First of all, you have to choose the moving average. Sorry, moving average. Okay, set to default first time, and 3. Next, done. And simple method, simple, apply to close, color any, and that style will be 3 pixel. Same setting if you are using on laptop or using in phone. Okay, follow my step instructions and set up the strategy. Okay guys, that first moving average period will be 3, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, color choose any you like, style with 3 pixel, no any level, no any shift, then done. Okay, you have done. Let me delete involve. Okay, the second one, moving average, choose the period 6 and shift 2 and liner weight and previous indicators data. Choose any color you like. I will choose this blue color. Okay, let me repeat, 6 and shift 2, liner weight, apply to previous indicators data, 3 pixel and colors. Let's see again. Period 6, shift 2, liner weight, apply to close, and done. Once more. Moving average, again 6, leave that all settings same, just simply change the color, and done. Again repeat one more time. You have to set the 6 period moving average 3 times. Okay, choose any color you like. Okay, there is no any recommend. Okay, and next one is 15 moving average. Leave method and all settings same, just simply change that and choose any color you like. Okay, the 15 also set up. and that last one of the trend. It's moving average, create 15. Choose 3 shifts, liner wedge, previous indicators data, and color black. Okay guys, now see on boom and crash how the strategy works and how we make the profit. Look this point. Let me highlight the area and show you clear things. Look this area that market is going to cross. Look here, that all moving averages crossing each other, all moving averages crossing each other and going down and going down. Okay, you have to place your trade after confirmation of this moving averages crossing. Okay, and look how much pips, how long this trade works. Okay, and that market again, look here, repeat the same thing. Once that all moving averages crossing each other, all moving averages crossing each other, you have to place your next trade for buy. And look how much pips. And also spikes. Many guys using different type of strategies catching spikes. No need to use any spike catching strategy. Use this strategy, is really awesome. You will see the results. Okay, many guys ask your strategy always gives accurate signal, but when to enter and when to exit. For entry, you have to choose this method. Once all moving averages crossing each other, you have to take your position in market. Okay, and when to exit. Okay, for exit, set up a true indicator, RSI, very famous, set to default, and 30-70 level, add one more 50 level, and done. Okay, once done, click on done, and look here, you have placed your trade from this point, all moving averages crossing each other. Okay, and look also RSI is going down from our bought level, and once that RSI touch our sword level, so I prefer to scalpers take exit. Okay, and look how much pips. Okay, let's see in M5 that market started going down after crossing moving averages, and look how much pips, and that RSI also turns from weight zone 50, this is weight zone, from 50 to our sword. You have to hold your trade till RSI hit our sold level. Once RSI hit our sold level, cut your trading profit. And also look here, once you exit, the market also changes direction, and also RSI is, look here. I hope all guys get my point. Okay, look here, one more buy, very awesome. That all moving averages crossing each other, and market started going down. And look this point of RSI also. RSI turns from weight zone, and once RSI hit the outside level, you have to close your trade, and look how much pips you make. Let me show you the buy. Look, all moving averages crossing each other on M5, and that RSI also started buy from weight zone, and look, once you hit our bought level, close your trade, and take your profit. And look how much pips. Very awesome strategy once market comes in range bound. And look here, once market comes in range bound, RSI, look here, and look this area. This strategy will not, look here, strategy will give you indication that market have no any clear direction. Okay, I hope all guys understand clearly how to trade this, how exit, how take profit, and how SL. That 50 level is weight zone. Always remember that 50 is weight. We always guide that 50 is for weight, all guys now. And once that all moving average is crossing from 50 and market going up, once that you seen moving average is crossing, and look that RSI also from weight zone and went where? Here, our bought level. And look here how much pips. So this is the strategy, very helpful, very awesome strategy. Okay, do practice, learn things, and start making money. If still have any question, feel free ask me. I am available for you. Thanks for watching. Keep following Traders Profit Club.